place. Thank you very much again. Please remember, even in the City Council of Jersey City, we have friends there too. Out of 9 members of the City Council, at least 2 are steadfast supporters of leaving the monument. These are Councilman Yun and Councilman Boggiano. They have helped us a lot already, and we expect that they will help us in the future just the same. Now, a lot of work is before us. If everything goes as it seems to go now, then there will be a referendum in Jersey City. Of course, only those can vote in the referendum who are registered voters and residents of Jersey City. So we need to find those people. It will be a great effort on our part, again, to try to find them, to try to talk to them, to try to make sure that their opinion, as they would express that opinion by voting in the referendum, will be to keep the monument at Exchange Place. I invite everyone to look openly at our American friends, because without help of our American friends, we may not be able to prevail, as I just said. Thank you.
Dziękuję bardzo panu Andrzejowi Brunhardowi.